Hi, I am Joachim Ungru, and I am the Head of Core Portfolio Management for Nokia. Thank you for joining our Nokia Core Talk today. I'm very pleased to welcome Mr. Hiroshi Takeshita, Vice CTO for Rakuten Mobile, as our guest today. Mr. Takeshita, you've pulled off one of the most advanced and demanding core migrations in the industry, with focus on cloud-native applications running on your own cloud stack. Now that you've got this foundation in place, what kind of network and service do you envision to build on top over the next few years?
So we now have a strong and flexible core setup, which is fully running on our cloud platform. This gives us full control over how we grow. Rakuten started as a technology-driven company, and we have brought that DNA with us as we build our own way into telecom. The plan is to support a wide variety of services, consumer, enterprise, and new digital use cases, all on a unified foundation. Also, we wanted to bring fixed and mobile into one core network that will reduce operational complexity and saving resources, as well as cost reduction. As we look ahead, these setups let us experiment faster with new services, models, and adapt quickly without legacy limitation.
Rakuten has started this journey towards full cloud-native operation, starting with IMS, and is now evolving towards further core functions. From what you've seen so far, which business impact does this shift create in terms of speed, cost, or control?
Moving core network functions from VNF to CNF is very much critical step for us. It gives us more flexibility and automation at a fundamental level. Cloud-native IMS has already shown us what's possible. It's smoother upgrades, better scaling, and tighter integration with our CI/CD and monitoring pipelines. We are seeing shorter delivery cycles, fewer operational bottlenecks, and more predictable scaling costs. It also let us better align telco infrastructures with Rakuten's broader cloud engineering cultures. That's a big one for collaboration. Ultimately, our goal is to treat the core not just as a network plumbing, but as a programmable service layers, part of a unified digital platform.
You've come quite a distance on your core deployment journey. Migrating over 30 network functions onto your own cloud platform is a serious undertaking. How did you travel that road in practice? What went well? Where did the terrain get rough in places? Which obstacles did you have to overcome?
It was a really complex journey till now. So we had to face many of unknown issues, especially early in the process. What we look clear in the design, sometimes it goes wrong and become more complicated during its real environment and deployment. Some steps took longer than our initial plan because we needed to adjust and align between teams and system. So keeping everything stable during rollout in a live environment required very much careful coordination and fallback options. So migration is always more difficult than building a network. So you are replacing the engine while flying the plane. This is kind of example. So we are already brownfield operators, not greenfield operators. We have 9 million of subscribers. So it was not straight road, but working closely with my team and Nokia teams, they helped us stay on track and finish with confidence.
Artificial intelligence is on everyone's mind and agenda. But what does it actually mean for core networks? How are you thinking about leveraging AI technology for the evolution of your core network?
So AI is of course part of our long-term plan to reach higher levels of network automation. We use our own observability framework with OBF to collect our KPIs, FM, PM, logs, and all the stats from each CNF node. And it makes us to see all the stats all in one place, which enabling features like auto ticketing, auto detection, and even auto RCA kind of a highly automated behavior, it can be achieved by a single unified solution. And AI itself is already in production. We have deployed more than hundreds of use cases, like for anomaly detection, log filtering, and auto ticketing, and even auto RCA. And trend analysis, AI is helping a lot, and we can make it visualize what is the latest trend of network performance, then what kind of recent 1 week, 1 month change, what we see, and what kind of action required. We are using its AI for day-to-day and week-by-week work. And right now, we operate at about level 3.5 autonomy, and our goal is, of course, is to move towards level 5 with full AI-driven healing and optimization. So it's completely zero-touch network. So Rakuten foresees further evolution of AI use cases, not just in smarter monitoring, but in smarter network decision across CNF, OSS, and even customer experience.
Mr. Takeshita, thank you very much for this interesting discussion, and I'm looking forward to see you soon again.
Yes.
Folks, this concludes our Nokia Core Talk. Thank you for your attention.